Hey guys, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here is the daily recap. Let's start with the S&P as usual, the E-minis. We saw most, if not all, major indices up on the day. They bounced, continued their bounce from yesterday. We touched the 200-day MA on the S&P yesterday and have bounced back up to about 2680. 2676 is an area we were looking at to get short. We put on a short position. We'll see if we can get a further pullback down towards this 2640. We are up in an area where there is some supply, plus the 50-day moving average is overhead as well. You saw the NASDAQ pop up quite a bit with Amazon and their earnings. Amazon is up currently $160 right now after market, hit an all-time high. So we may have a battle tomorrow between good earnings and where we're at in terms of price. And so we got to keep an eye on that, and we'll see how we finish out the week. We had hit our T1 yesterday, target 1, on most of our positions from late last week, mid last week, and this week as well, and had gotten out. And so T1 was hit, and we saw a bounce back right up into an area where there is some more supply. So we're going to be looking for some opportunities with that. We did take off our FCX position for a little over 300%. We had gotten out right here around the $15 mark. This 1516 to 1484 was our area to get out. You saw a rally out of this base back here, back in here. It rallied up towards the highs, paused, and then rallied up further. Strong move up, 15 up to 20 bucks. And so we use this as T1 for us to get out. And now that it did hold and gave us a buy candle, we may be looking at a situation where we can sell some puts or buy some calls on FCX to ride it back up to $18.50, $19. So we'll keep an eye on that and see how that plays out in the next couple days, week or so. And the last thing I wanted to look at was interest rates. Interest rates actually did bounce, or they pulled back, excuse me, bonds bounced. Bond futures bounced back up. And so that brought interest rates back down below 3%, and that may be a big reason why we saw equities rally today on top of the strong earnings. But we'll see how Friday plays out and going into next week after the bulk of the earnings are done. So until then, we'll see you guys tomorrow. We have our group coaching room. Be sure to sign up, check it out. Other than that, you can check out our new ebook that came out, Derivatives Playbook, the complete guide to profiting from the derivatives market. We're really excited to get that out. Check that out. Go to simplyderivative.com/playbook and get your copy today. Other than that, like I said, have a good night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the group coaching room. Take care.